the elevator at the JCPenney store at Rosspark Mall. They updated the in case of fire sign. There's the drop key. Montgomery A series. This one runs better than number 1, which is the death trap.
It has to be one of the slowest apps I have ever used for anything.
One?
No, it's ADP.
Here it comes. I apologize for the wait time. Here it is. Put the camera away. I got the door.
I'll wait down here for you.
Go up to 2. Runs nice. This runs nice. It's actually a pretty nice elevator. 3,500 pounds capacity. Go down?
Mm-hmm.
Which floor are you going to? 1?
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa. Falls. A series. There is no phone in here. I kind of like the floor though. Brown walls. Emergency lights on for some reason. Bell's a little messed up. Actually, I'm gonna go for another ride. This very nice elevator. View the lights are out. Hear a little dry power pump. Still has the annoying fan on, which is up there. This is very busy today. Going down?
Yes.
Don't worry.
No, go ahead, we'll wait.
Go down to 1. Oh.
Thank you. Downstairs.
Going down? This thing's busy. I got the door for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on,
Oh,
babe.
we got a crowd here.
We don't go fast anymore.
My leg's getting better.
The door close button works. This is a really nice elevator. There are your fixtures. They're A series. We got no phone in here. Same as number
We in
1.
trouble, huh? It
Yeah.
doesn't open, are we in trouble? We gotta bang on the door.
At least the alarm works. At least it works.
Ed,
There you go. Excuse me.
come on out.
This thing is busy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 50% off. There it goes, and that's it.